Hey guys, it's Tank Boy here. We're here playing Call of Duty World War II. I got something that might work if I wanted to do this. Okay, are you serious right now? Give me a second. How's your guys' day been, huh? Don't worry about the background. It's all stupid. Now let's go try again. This is stupid. I'm recording on the small TV. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be fine. Don't worry about the background. There's my sister doing something really stupid. Okay. Let's go play something fun. Prop hunt's probably fun, but new. Dogfire. Search and destroy, boys. Probably gonna do 2 rounds of this game. Not 1 round of this game because it's stupid. Oh no. Really? That's not nice. That was not nice either.
The window.
That is awful.
I know it. And that's how you do it.
That is horrible. Ugh.
You just walk outside, or?
No, I just nothing.
Oh shit.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Finally, I was like,
I'm not looking online. Flush the enemy supplies. On the move.
I said, fuck.
And I don't have my aim. Great, what happened to
I
it?
was like, I'm all low.
Well, then,
What do I gotta do now?
I can't see anything.
Wow, that's the worst shooting ever. I deserve to die. Where's one of the teammates? They need to kill me. That was terrible. Pillboxes. Behind you, Whitey. There you go.
I was not paying attention. Oh, of course. And for the feet. Let's go.
Not that nigga.
Oh, that guy does not talk at all.
So I just saw the trailer for Spider-Man.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Stop talking.
Spider-Man what?
Spider-Man.
Demolish their supply line.
Is it a new Spider-Man coming out?
Observed.
Yeah, check out the trailer. They got fucking Jake Gyllenhaal. Yeah, man, he's like somebody you would. I'm not gonna root it for you, because you gotta see the trailer for yourself. But he's like somebody you would never expect. He's playing it.
Damn, no. Can't wait. I actually can't
Not
wait.
too high.
It's actually good.
July 7th. July, or
I
July
don't know what these
19th.
guys are talking about.
No, 19th year. July something. I can't remember what. Maybe the 5th.
Did you see the Spider-Man Homecoming movie?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, it was badass.
How's that? Man,
Pretty good, baby.
I want to see that shit too. Saw it.
Nope. Glad I had shitty aim. I also would kill my teammate.
guy? Are we playing against anybody?
There's one guy.
Oh.
Where is that though?
Wow, that was awful. Boom, that was easy. Easy kill.
Hardcore
Easy
search and
win.
destroy.
Boom. Let's go.
Demolish their ordnance. Crush the enemy supply.
You guys hear about the Clemson? About Clemson, like meeting the president during the White House and the meals they prepared?
These guys
That was
planning.
probably like fucking whole cow.
It was like Big Macs. It was like Wendy's burgers. It was like
yeah,
Oh,
bullshit.
yeah, it was. Clemson being Clemson, dude, they were so like happy about it. Like they were so like thankful. They actually like wrote a speech to it. They're like, I mean, we're football players. We're not like fucking yoga models or some shit like that. That's exactly what they said. They're like, yeah, like we
I
appreciate
can't
what
see
we got,
anything.
and that's all it is.
All I can see is
Because
people
the
and
people are,
names.
you know, they're making a big deal
Who is
about
that
it,
up there?
obviously now. Like, oh yeah, typically, what a great representation of our president, you know. Clemson was just like so happy just to get.
Dang it!
What a great reference.
They're distracting me. Man.
Shit. I don't really know what the Clemson it is or whatever you said. Say Clemson.
Yeah, Clemson.
Oh,
Well,
we tried flipping that on my Game Boy.
Boom.
I guess they're like.
Those guys suck.
have eaten before.
Yeah, the orange and the white.
Oh, let's see if anyone's on.
Beat Alabama.
Uzi, I missed you.
I guess.
We're gonna do one more round. One more round. One more round. Let's go, boys. I got one kill. I'm better than everyone else. And I planted one. Yay. Only one of my friends. I hate myself right now because I'm talking too much. I might talk to them actually. No. I'm actually not. I'm not that.
It's my voice for Dane, Alabama.
Fortnite!
Did you ever see the episode of Key and Peele where they do the football team?
Yeah.
And they like
No.
just say their
Yeah.
name.
No, I want to do that one. There we go.
That shit's funny.
Mamma mia.
What's even funnier is.
Yeah, I did something stupid on this gun, and I reset everything. I love the gun.
First thing he says is, "How you guys?" The two
No,
other black
you have
guys
to learn.
trying to do one show.
I love Gunslinger.
Like, what?
I
You
don't
think I
need
didn't know about
that,
them
I need
niggas
this.
Key and Peele? I saw that stand up, but it's actually one of the best. It wasn't one of the best.
you keep.
Dang it. I didn't do anything this time. Finally, those guys need to shut up. Man. I'm gonna do more of this more soon. I just need to write. I'm gonna buy something a lot more. Luck. I don't know what I just did. I'm just sucking my thumb, I guess. Because I'm a baby. I talk too much every freaking time. Again.
Hardcore search and destroy.
No. This.
Defend our supply lines at
There we
all
go.
costs. The front needs that ammunition.
Yeah, it's fun.
I still can't see anything great. No, I'm leaving because I can't see anything. I need to leave. This lobby is haunted me. Let's do a different game. I'm doing team deathmatch because I hate the search and destroy. It hurts my feelings. Okay.
Mission priority.
I really should do that first before I do anything else. Really should, you know. It's hard to focus. Well, when you have distractions around you, you know. We're doing a little more, and then I'm just gonna stop recording because that, you know, it's my phone's stupid. Can't hold a memory. I'm using phone. What a stupid way to record. Might buy a camera in the future. Never know. Never know.
Team captain, eliminate all Axis forces. Line them up! Toss a stun grenade! Titan run inbound! They're on the move! Firing battery 1. Target position confirmed. Missile ready.
Selling stuff like that. I know it. Oh no, that's my last bullet. Please come over here. Where's he? Where did he go? I'm going over here! My first death, finally. No. There we go.
Over there! Grenade bridge! Movement!
The echoes, man.
I'm hit! Keep moving!
Ooh, that. Dang it, I reload. Man. It sucks when you have to reload every time. Let's go back to Mount Armored. The Armoreds. I'm sitting down. So you're being a good boy.
Need ammo!
Oh, really? I don't know where you are. Oh my god, that scared me. Okay, let's got this now. Let's go. Who wants to go? Boom. Default lands, boys. This gun's a default. I'm winning with this gun. Get a shotgun. That was fine. I'll shoot you, boy. Come on, let's go. No, no. You won! Yay!
Good job.
Oh, I should probably hold the remote.
You earned it.
Who won? Who got it? Who got the hero kill? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Switch guns and shoot this guy in the forehead. Boom, 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 boom. What is happening up there? Let's do. Yeah, I'm done. Alright, guys, this is gonna be it. Hope you enjoy. If you did, smash that like button. I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. And see you next time. Peace out.